Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you a brief video around a vehicle that's just about to go onto the road as one of our demonstrators, and this is a March 2025 registered SEAT Ibiza FR. Now this vehicle is finished in magnetic grey, and at the time of this video the vehicle has covered just over 500 miles. Now the Ibiza FR has been one of our most popular models, and to say this is a vehicle that will be going up for sale, so if you are interested then please get in touch. The mileage will increase because, as I say, it's going to be one of our demonstrator cars, but as it stands the car is to all intents and purposes like brand new. Now the Ibiza has a great host of features: rear parking sensors, that's now become a standard thing, a lovely big boot with a 60/40 split seat, plenty of versatility with Isofix car seats fixings, as well as seating for 5 people. It's quite surprising how a car this size can accommodate so many people, but as I say, the Ibiza has been around for over 30 years, so it's a very, very popular model. And when you come up to the front, you've got this lovely display, so a nice squared off flat bottom steering wheel, synonymous with the FR models, the red sporty vent surrounds which match in with the red stitching that's in the car. And if I show you through the navigation system, so a nice easy display utilising with postcodes, and if you want to change any of those you can go for this view and you can personalise that, or the icon view which you can swipe through and go on there as well. And into the driving assistance menu you've got loads of driving assistance, so you've got lane assist, front assist, and even a speed warning display, so that can be audible or visual, whichever you prefer. You can also stream music, you've got digital radios, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay versatility as well, so on a long journey there should hopefully be plenty to keep you occupied. Dropping down, you've got climate control, which is really lovely. You've got 2 USB-Cs, and if I push on this button here, that allows you to change the different driving profiles. So depending on your enthusiasm on the journey, you can either turn the wick up a little bit or set it for a more economical engine map. Then you have plenty of multi-function adjustment on the steering wheel, and like I say, at the time of this video we've literally done just over 500 miles. Now as you'd expect, this vehicle will be going up for sale, but before it goes on the road we just thought we'd give you a lovely preview just to show you what it's like. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please get in touch.